Oh, they're having fun in there.
Hello, I'm here for the event.
A quick security check? Authentic mermaid. You can go.
Thanks, bye.
Have fun. Huh? What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew! Right on time.
Hey there.
Hello.
Let's do this.
Stop right there.
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh, I see.
Wait!
Why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time! For you!
Whoa,
Where are we?
so cool!
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow.
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this? Huh?
My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Let's go! No time to waste. The show must go on. Shoes off.
Bye, Boots.
Whoa! Watch out! Haha!
Time to wrap this up. Literally. This is taking longer than I anticipated.
Makeovers require patience, I guess.
Done. Wait, we can't walk.
Maybe we did something wrong? Whoa! Look! We got a cute visitor!
Aw,
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
yum.
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead!
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next. I was right. Let's try it.
Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying, but wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! I love it. You're really good at your job.
Bye!
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing! Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How was that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though. Let me show you. Can't imagine you without your signature front hairpieces. So I'm creating a mermaid version of those. Voila!
Wow, thanks!
You're welcome. But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these. Check it out.
Wow, I love it so much. This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit. Huh? Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see. Mine's gotta be golden. I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow. Our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Whoa! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too. But I need to wash my face first.
A little help?
Huh? With what?
My hands are busy holding this.
Okay, I'll do the rest for you. What would you do without me?
We're a team for a reason.
Yep. Now back to… You can't believe the treasure I found!
And I have precious pearls here. And I have no reason to not put them on my face. Haha!
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies! Get out of the way! I got them all! You use pearls, I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift? Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go! Huntrix!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment. Why is this happening to me?
It's her! It's her!
It's really her. I can't believe it. She's so beautiful. I love you, Mira. Where do I sign?
Hold it! I bet you want to meet me too. I'm coming! I'll sign that for you.
Hey, not so fast. I believe that's mine. Here, okay?
I don't think so.
Oh boy.
My turn now.
You think you can mess with me?
Yeah, right.
I don't know if I like this anymore. Rumi sure is vicious. And what about Mira? So much anger in her eyes. Enough! Huh? You two need to calm down. Take these. Ready for some gold versus silver?
I guess.
Whoa! Where are we?
I have no idea.
Look, it's a challenge. A challenge I'll definitely win.
That's what you think. Okay. Gah!
What are you so scared of?
What's going on?
I don't know, but I'm digging it. Time for some magic.
Exciting!
I could use a little refreshment. Wow! Bottoms up!
Whoa.
Those were pretty good! Whoa!
No way. Now me! Well, these look pretty good too. What a copycat.
Watch out for that dragon! Look!
Hold on. Where?
I'm just gonna take this little guy. This too. Mmm, delicious! Let the hair makeover begin. So pretty, right?
I think he got scared. Wait, those are my drinks.
Someone had to drink them.
Not cool, Mira.
Gold, gold, and more gold. I'm gonna be rich. Huh? Nice to meet you too.
Thanks. Looks like real gold to me.
No way. How'd she get that?
Boom. New hair. Who dis? What, you jealous?
Ugh, whatever. I don't even care.
Hey, look! We did it!
My hair's never looked better.
I know, right?
Well, should we see what's next?
I don't know.
It's our faces.
Okay then.
Yep, I know just what to make. Makeup for days. Wow. So many options. How about… Ta-da! All done!
Okay, my turn. Huh? Oh, come on. Just work. Do it! I said, do magic, you stupid wand!
Wait! Calm down. Just be gentle, see?
Got it. There. Nice and gentle. I did it! Now I just have to put it on. Oh well.
I'll help.
Huh? Wait, where did it all go?
I don't know. Weird, right?
I'll try it one more time. Come on, just fix it. Thank goodness. I thought I lost it all for a sec. I need a clean slate. All natural. But not for long. I need clean lines, people. This spoon will help. More glitter, perhaps? Good as gold, baby. And next, some warm, rosy cheeks to match.
What?
This helps me stay in the lines.
What on earth?
I almost forgot the lips. Ah, gorgeous. Do I look good or what?
I guess we both did all right.
Yes! Noodles? Wow.
Are you kidding me with this?
Hey, my shirt!
Huh? I'm sorry.
Well, it's okay, I guess. On to the next. Well, now what?
A new fit? I'll take care of that.
No way!
I just love shopping. Don't you? What's the vibe? Hello, Sparkle.
Wow, that looks great on you.
No, this is my rack.
There's plenty.
I don't share clothes.
You're gonna regret that. Check it out. It's just missing a little bit of spice. Hungry?
My favorite noodles. Mmm, so good. And… Ah! Water!
Bye. I may as well do some shopping while you're gone.
Excuse me.
Whoa, looks like I've been caught. Never mind, got what I needed.
You are so annoying.
Annoyingly fabulous. You agree?
I'm not talking to you right now.
Whatever, this fits fire. Can I?
Beats me.
Yay! Let's do this. Nothing's happening? Hello? What's going on? Somebody answer me right now!
No wonder she's having trouble. It's just a dupe. Here.
What's with this thing?
My turn. That'll do it.
How'd you do that? Isn't that strange?
I'll just press it. Oh, come on.
Looks like it's our shoes this time.
Yep, I think you're right. Let the magic begin. I got something. Wow, oh my goodness. They're gorgeous, don't you think?
Just 1 second. Gotta grab my wand. Where did I leave that thing? Bingo! Found it! Phew!
Hold it.
What?
The bird, up there.
What kind of bird?
Like I care. This is gonna be so good.
Look at these! All for me? How exciting! Not the vibe. Something better in here? Definitely not. Perhaps 3rd time's a charm? Pretty please. Oh yeah, now that's it. Simply perfect.
They're fine, I guess.
Nailed it. Oh! Play to press it?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Gotcha. My turn.
Jewelry, huh?
Let's make this one good. What's that? It's glowing. Something inside? Love it!
Love what?
Haha! Delicious!
Hello? Over here?
One more second. Look!
Silver and diamonds? Wow, it just keeps coming. I can't wait to get my bling. A bunch of coins? Do over. Now, please. Where are my jewels?
It's here, silly.
What do you mean?
Come on, use your brain. And this cauldron.
I see. Just drop them off for a little swim. I think they're ready.
Feels good to sparkle, doesn't it?
I'd say so.
Yup, nailed it yet again.
Let's do it.
Okay, now what?
It's a mic. I know what to do with that.
Yeah, me too. Wow. What does this have to do with a mic?
I know. Watch.
Wait, what's happening?
Seriously?
Earplugs, anyone? Please stop. Me now.
My brain hurts.
Well,
Call it even?
if I have to,
Deal.
let's do it.
Yes!
We actually did it.
Look at the score. Uh-oh.
Looks like we're back. Oh, back already?
Gold and gorgeous.
Silver and stupendous. I'm so proud of you guys. Selfie!